Hi guys, this is Abi from Gokce Design. Say you wanted to get rid of the white background from a logo image. One way to accomplish this is by using the Magic Wand tool. Select the Magic Wand tool from the left menu. Make sure your background layer is selected, and then click on the white areas outside the logo. Next, choose the Add to Selection button in the top menu, and now click on the inside white areas of the logo. You can go one step further and click on Select and Mask to further enhance the selection, but we're not going to cover that in this video, so I'm just going to click on OK. From the top menu, click on Select and choose Inverse. Now click on Add Layer Mask button. At this point, you should be able to export as a PNG file with transparency checked. However, I want to show you an alternate method which is much faster. Let's take a look. Say I want to place my logo on this image. First, let's bring in our external logo file with white background. I'm going to convert this layer to a smart object so we can modify it non-destructively. Say the requirement is to place the logo in the bottom right corner of the image. I'm going to transform and adjust the height of the logo as well. Now all we have to do is to change the blending mode from normal to multiply. How cool is that? We didn't have to do any select and mask. In multiply blend mode, white gets replaced by the background color because it has a luminosity value of 1. Let's also look at some other backgrounds and see how our logo behaves in multiply blending mode. When you're working with a darker background, you can also try changing the blending mode to divide. This will give your logo a glow in the dark effect. Since darker pixels have low luminosity values, the foreground image gets flipped to brighter colors in divide mode. Let's look at one more dark background example. Here you can see our logo is barely visible in multiply mode. Watch what happens when I flip to divide. How cool is that? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.